Hello traders, in this video we'll do the review of the setup that I gave you before. As you can see, the signal, the setup was successful. It was a successful trade. It hit our take profit. The entry was excellent. As you can see, if you watch my previous video, you will see that I'm not lying in the numbers. I gave you an entry at 3,172 and the stop loss was at 3,165. It was exactly below the higher low, and I was targeting the 3,196, and the reason was simple. This one here, that before I had a break of structure towards the downward direction from institutional traders or commercial banks. I don't know what exactly was this, but it was very steep move, which means that the market will start selling off from this level, and I didn't want to risk it to go against this move. Also, it is a reversal trade, as the major market, it is still, as you can see, downtrend, and we don't want to go against the trend. Indeed, the market broke the structure over here that I told you before, and with not very strong momentum, to be honest. I was expecting that it might reverse from this level here, but it didn't. The moment that I saw the break of structure, I was sure that the market is going to come down to this demand zone over here, and then we'll start pushing up again. Then when I saw this steep move towards the downward direction, to be honest, I had doubt about this trade, and the reason was, if you go to the 1 minute chart, if you go to the 1 minute chart, you will see that the market, after this sell-off, created here a supply zone, and after the supply zone, the market, when it approached it again, will start reversing, and I was thinking that change of character as the market shifted its character from here. You see, it's very accurate. This was the supply, and the moment that the market hit the supply, will start selling off with these strong candles towards the downward direction. And I was thinking that we might lose the trade from there. However, then I realized that no, this is not a strong level, didn't break any structure, so I didn't close it earlier. I kept the trade open until the take profit will hit. It was here at 3,196. Now, overall, it was a very successful trade, and we will have a lot of successful trades in the future. I'm not saying that I know everything about trading. All I'm saying is that I know how the price action is working, and I know how the market is moving because I'm trading for a long time now. So what I'm expecting now to happen, as you can see, the market hit this this demand zone. This was the daily demand. If you go like back to the past, you will see that this was a very strong demand that broke the structure before. You can see from this level, the market broke the structure. Look at this momentum from these candles here. It was crazy back then. It broke the structure so strong towards the upward direction, and I knew that this is a good level that the buyers will be interested to buy again in the future. I kept this demand zone. I had it here like for a long time. This move happened 10th of April, by the way, back then. And as you can see now, the moment that the market hit this demand zone, was pushing towards the upward direction with these 1, 2, 3, 4 strong bullish candles. It broke the structure also over here to this level and this level. I couldn't really identify which one exactly is the lower high at this level in the beginning, but later on I realized that this is our lower high. Also, you can say that there is equal highs over here, and I was expecting that the market might grab the liquidity and then fall furthermore, but this didn't happen, and the market was continuing towards the upward direction strongly. Now what I'm expecting to happen is this. As you can see, this is the descending highs over here, which means that there is a lot of liquidity hidden above. Means that the retail traders, a lot of retail traders took these trades here, I mean, the moment that the market was hitting the trend line where they were selling, exactly the same happened here, exactly the same happened here, which means that there is a lot of liquidity, and this liquidity has to be swept off. Now, what we are expecting two things. One is to see a break of structure towards the upward direction over here, and a break of structure towards the downward direction over here. So I will take the path now, and uh, I will create what I believe that the market is going to do. So the market, as I can see now, also the volume is very strong here. So I strongly believe that the market will come at least to this level. As I can see, this level is retested already. Yes, I believe that the market is going to break the structure towards the upward direction, and after the break of structure, we'll wait for the retracement, and after the retracement, we'll go again long. Okay. If this level, because of this small imbalance that left behind in the 1 hour chart, see there is a small imbalance over here, which I don't believe that is going to reverse the market. But if this happens, then we will look for something like that. We will look for the market to fall, break this structure over here, or even better, this structure. And after the break of structure, we'll wait for the retracement somewhere at this level. And then we will take a short from here, or else a long trade from here. Okay, depends of which level the market will start breaking the structure. This is going to be our demand zone or a supply zone towards the downward direction, and then we will see and we will act accordingly. Keep in mind that the market also started tracing until the 71% level. This is the 71% retracement with the Fibonacci. Remember that the 71% for gold is very, very important. Gold is not retracing in this 618 that every trader is taking trades and losing. But the 71% is the most accurate for me for the gold retracement. Between 71% to 78.6. So that's it for today. Thank you and congratulations for the people that took this trade with me. It was a very good trade. We didn't see any red numbers. We saw only green from the moment that we entered the trade. Have a beautiful weekend, and we'll speak again on Monday.